हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू एसआर एजुकेशन। तो आज आम देखा कि करेन्ट अफेयर्स। तो देख, फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, फ्यूचर स्किल प्राइम इज ए डिजिटल स्किल डेवलपमेंट इनिशिएटिव ऑफ NASSCOM is association with which ministry? Option A, Ministry of Education. Option B, Ministry of Skill Development. Option C, Ministry of Electronics and IT. Option D, Ministry of Home Affairs. तो यार करेक्ट उत्तर कौन हम? तो लेट्स स्टार्ट। तो करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी, मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स एंड आईटी। NASSCOM Union Ministry of Electronics and IT and the IT industry have come together to launch Future Skill Prime, which is a digital reskilling upskilling platform. It is an aggregator learning platform which offers technology such as a lot data analytic, computing whose curriculum are globally accepted. Number two, next question. Which country is set to start knock every door campaigning to boost vaccination? China. Option B, India. Option C, Indonesia. Option D, US. The correct answer is India. Okay. Next question. What is the fiscal defect of the centre at the end of the first half of 522? Correct answer is option C, 5.26 lakh crore. Next question number 4. Which country is set to launch trade promotion event? Time for India, the boost bilateral trade with India, Switzerland, Sweden, Germany, Denmark. The correct answer is Sweden. The next question, which institute released the periodic greenhouse gas GHG bulletin? Niti Aayog, World Meteorological Organization, Food and Agriculture Organization, NABARD. The correct answer is World Meteorological Organization, option B. The next question of question number 6. Special train between which cities? Delhi to Patna, Delhi to Varanasi, Varanasi to Kevadia, Delhi to Nainital. The correct answer is option A, Delhi to Patna. The next question number 7. Which sector of people made up the largest share of total suicides as per NCRB data on suicides? Daily wage earners, housewives, unemployed person, farmers. The correct answer is option A, daily wage earners. Next question is, Punit Rajkumar, who passed away recently, was a famous actor in which language? Option 1, Tamil. Option B, Kannada. Option C, Telugu. Option D, Malayalam. Correct answer is Kannada. Punit Rajkumar was the famous Kannada actor. Recently passed into for heart attack at the age of 46. Question number 9. Which union minister has announced competitions for Deshabhakti Geet writing? Minister of External Affairs, Minister of Culture, Minister of Rural Development, Minister of Electronics and IT. Correct answer is Ministry of Culture. Ministry of Culture has announced 3 competitions under Azadi Ka अमृत महोत्सव, their देशभक्ति गीत, गीत writing, rangoli making and lori writing. Okay. Next question, question number 10. Which organization delivered fast ship of project 15B class destroyer yard 12704 Visakhapatnam to the Indian Navy? DRDO, Mazgon Dock Shipbuilders, Garden Ridge Shipbuilders, Hull. The correct answer is Mazgon Dock Shipbuilders. Okay. Thank you for watching.